Sweetie, did you finish the puzzle? Yeah, you finished that puzzle, sweetie. You gotta roll around on it and get the pieces all into place. Sweetie. Sweetie. Yes, sweetie. Finish the puzzle, sweetie. Finish the puzzle. Yay, finish the puzzle, sweetie. Oh, sweetie, finish that puzzle. Finish the puzzle. Cat does puzzle. Fucking amazing. 10 million hits. Easy shit. Hi, sweetie. Oh my god, sweetie. Life's hard when you're a puzzle doing cat. Hey, sweetie. Yeah. Sweetie. 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 I'm just going out, get a little energy, gotta get a nos going on. Amanda's upstairs, she's doing some video stuff right now, I guess. We're working on getting this album out. I've got my master in hand, and now I've sent the templates and the instructions away to the artist that's going to be doing the album art itself. Send that back to me, and I'll send it away to the company that's going to print it. And then print it, they'll be like, and, you know, then they'll be like, meow, 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 with the replication or whatever. I don't know. It's going to be really metal. There'll be lasers and sparks and fire. It's like a factory where we're getting our CD printed because we needed it to be heavy. Heavy! Heavy! Hey, let's get out of here. Look at my gasoline. We need to get you nosed up too. It's my favorite shit. They're gonna send me a fridge soon and a bunch of more merch, and you better give me a bunch of free nos too. It's not getting any cheaper. All your summer sales are fucking over. So I was reading in the comments the other day that somebody posted like, see, this is why I stopped watching, this attitude that Max has. Okay, I think that was the one where I posted like, oh, watch me do something entertaining. Come on, somebody must have laughed at that because that's just fucking retarded. And the whole like attitude thing is it's not an act. It's all real. I am fucking just as famous and rich as Will Smith. I choose to drive a red minivan so people don't rob my shit. It's not fucking real. Like, cry about it, you stupid pansy bitch. Like, oh, I don't want to watch this fucking attitude. God, makes me upset. Let's get the fuck out of here. Go troll on something else that gives a fuck. Back at the house, I guess now I don't know, I may try to do SoCan again. That's very frustrating because they seem to tell me that I don't exist on their database, but they have a membership number for me. So I was like, if I don't exist on your database, how do you have a membership number for me? And the email I got back was, I don't know. And that's fucking it. Like, that's great, SoCan. Now I am bad-mouthing SoCan. You're fucking unorganized and dumb. Like, God. Good thing your lifetime membership is like 20 bucks. Fucking idiots. Cat mania! It's okay, Phil. There's no cat mania today.
I have a doctor's appointment today. We're heading into town a little early because I just want to go to Walmart and get a couple things. And then it'll be time to go to my appointment once we're done there. I have an appointment every single Tuesday now until Billy's here.
go.
I hate how like the entrance is on the exit side.
Look at that little thing.
I know.
I'm just getting out of the car and heading towards the doctor's office that Amanda has her appointment at. We're parked a little bit of ways, so it's free, so I drop Amanda off, find a parking spot, and then I walk back.
Yeah, I look super huge in that last little clip there. But I'm 37 weeks out of 40. And yeah, the doctor's appointment was good, just like usual. He reassures me on stuff and answers all my questions, and he said the baby's definitely head down. That's a really good thing, and some people struggle with that, with like the baby not being head down and whatnot. But he also said he's lower. He's a lot lower than before, so that's good too. That means he's ready to make his appearance soon. Yeah, in 3 weeks. 3 weeks I'll have him. Or less. It could be less. It's probably around that exact time though, maybe. I just made a stew with my mom. I think it turned out really yummy, but I'm full and I gotta edit the video now that we're home, fed, good.
Sweetie. 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 Sweetie.